Hey, have you ever wondered why the human heart is so sensitive? I mean, it's just this muscular organ in our chest, but it feels like it's at the center of everything, physically and emotionally. So, let's dive into what the human heart actually is, how it's put together, and why it's so incredibly important. First off, the human heart is about the size of your fist. It sits right between your lungs, a little to the left. But don't let its size fool you. This tiny powerhouse works non-stop, day and night, your entire life. It's made up of 4 chambers, 2 on the top called atria, and 2 on the bottom called ventricles. Thick walls of muscle separate them, and each chamber has its own job. The main job of the heart? To pump blood. But not just any blood, oxygen-rich blood to every single part of your body. Here's how it works. Blood comes into the heart through the veins. Those are the tubes that bring blood back to the heart, low on oxygen. The heart sends this blood to the lungs, where it picks up fresh oxygen. Then, it pumps all that fresh, bright red blood out through the arteries. Arteries carry this oxygen-packed blood out to your brain, your toes, your skin, literally everywhere. Now, the heart is basically a pump, but it's a pretty smart one. It adjusts its speed and strength based on what your body needs. Running? It beats faster. Sleeping? It slows down. All of this happens automatically, without you having to think about it. But here's the wild part. Why is the human heart so sensitive? Well, it's not just about emotions, though it definitely feels that way sometimes. Physically, the heart is super responsive to changes: stress, excitement, sadness, joy. When something happens, your brain sends signals that can make your heart beat faster or slower almost instantly. That's why you feel your heart race when you're nervous or skip a beat when you're surprised. Emotionally, the heart is sort of a symbol for our feelings. When people talk about heartbreak or falling in love, they're connecting those powerful emotions to the sensations in the chest. Scientists have even found that strong emotions can actually affect how your heart works, at least for a little while. So, your heart is more than just a pump. It's the engine that keeps you alive, and it's deeply connected to how you feel every single day. That's what makes it so sensitive and so special. Thanks for joining me on this quick journey inside your own chest. Remember to take care of your heart. After all, it's taking care of you. Every second, every beat.